Good morning. What you're looking at is what was pepper row on my pepper plants that I was proud of and that I've shown off on previous videos. After Hurricane Ian, this is what's left. So today I'm going to go through and see if I can save what I can and remove the others that need to be removed. Okay, this was one of my ghost peppers, and I do not believe that it can be saved, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, everything has been pruned or repaired as best as I can get it. I'm trying to give you a close-up of the 3 on the end. The one that has no leaves or anything is my Trinidad scorpion. The 2 next to it are Scotch bonnets, and that one is also a cayenne pepper. I lost and had to remove my poblano pepper, which is the empty one. This is a ghost pepper, and I had to trim it severely. And the last one is another ghost pepper that I lost. So hopefully they will grow back and I'll be able to have them like they were. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me while I did a necessary cleanup on my peppers. It was sad that I lost some of them and they got destroyed or damaged so much during the hurricane, but it is what it is, and I can grow more. So, without further ado, I'm going to end the video now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, by all means, please consider doing so. If you do subscribe, please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you aren't going to subscribe, just go ahead and like it. That helps my channel tremendously, and I would greatly appreciate it. You can leave a comment also, and I will respond to you. Until next time, always remember, in small spaces such as mine, you can grow good amounts of food for yourself and your family. So until next time, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow,